15 drinks to help you lose body fat, your ultimate guide to healthy weight loss. Hello everyone, welcome back to the Empowerment 888 channel. If you're on a mission to lose body fat and lead a healthier lifestyle, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the top 15 drinks that can help you lose body fat effectively. These drinks are not only delicious, but also packed with benefits to support your weight loss journey. Let's get started. First up, we have green tea. This drink is rich in antioxidants, particularly catechins, which boost metabolism and enhance fat oxidation. Drinking a cup of green tea before your workouts can significantly improve your exercise performance and help you burn more fat. Next on our list is lemon water. Starting your day with a glass of lemon water can kickstart your metabolism, aid in digestion, and detoxify your body. The vitamin C in lemons also helps reduce belly fat and keeps you hydrated. Protein shakes are great for reducing cravings and supporting muscle recovery. Opt for a low-sugar, high-protein shake mixed with water or unsweetened almond milk. It's perfect as a post-workout drink to support muscle recovery and fat loss. Don't forget about apple cider vinegar. Adding a tablespoon to a glass of water can help regulate blood sugar levels, promote fullness, and reduce overall calorie intake. It's a great addition to your weight loss routine. Herbal teas like ginger and peppermint tea are excellent for aiding digestion, reducing bloating, and boosting metabolism. Ginger tea, in particular, has thermogenic properties that help burn fat more effectively. Black coffee is another powerful drink. The caffeine in black coffee increases fat burning and improves exercise performance. Just remember to skip the sugar and cream to keep it calorie-free. Coconut water is a natural electrolyte drink that keeps you hydrated and energized. It's low in calories and can support your weight loss efforts. Vegetable juices made from greens like spinach, kale, and cucumber are packed with nutrients and low in calories. They're perfect for detoxing and supporting your weight loss goals. Detox water infused with fruits, herbs, and vegetables helps you stay hydrated and flush out toxins, aiding in weight loss. It's a refreshing way to keep your body healthy. Green smoothies blend leafy greens with fruits and a liquid base, providing a nutrient-dense, low-calorie drink that can keep you full and satisfied. Dandelion tea is known to enhance fat burning and improve weight loss by increasing metabolism. It's a great drink to include in your daily routine. Dandelion tea acts as a natural diuretic, helping reduce water weight and bloating. It's perfect for when you need a little extra help with digestion. Kombucha is a fermented tea that contains probiotics, which can improve gut health and aid in weight loss. It's a tasty and healthy drink to add to your diet. Aloe vera juice is known for its detoxifying properties and can help improve digestion, boosting weight loss efforts. It's a refreshing drink that supports overall health. Lastly, cinnamon water can help regulate blood sugar levels and reduce cravings. Adding a stick of cinnamon to your water can make a big difference in your weight loss journey. There you have it, the top 15 drinks to help you lose body fat. Incorporating these beverages into your daily routine can significantly support your weight loss journey. Remember, consistency is key. Combine these drinks with a balanced diet and regular exercise for the best results. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell for more health and fitness tips. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.